Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your iPhone overheating issue while using your CapCut. So it's a very common issue with CapCut. You can fix it with 3 different steps. So the first one would be simply removing the background running. So if you simply swipe up from your home screen of your iPhone, here you can see this pop-up right here. So we'll have to remove this background running application. So in order to do that, all you have to do is simply swipe up and remove it just like this. So this was the first way. The second way is to simply turn off your background app refresh, for which get to the settings application on your phone, and from your settings scroll down, tap on general. So after doing that, here scroll down until you see background app refresh. After doing that, again tap on background app refresh, and then from here you can see it is currently Wi-Fi and cellular data. You'll have to tap on off and simply turn off your background app refresh. So after doing that, the next thing that you can do is simply clear cache from your CapCut. So simply open your CapCut, and after opening your CapCut, you'll need to get to the profile. So just like this, tap on me icon right here, and then from here tap on the settings option right here and open your settings. And from here, if you scroll down, here you can see the option of clear cache right here. Simply tap on it and then tap on confirm. So after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully clear cache our CapCut. So after doing that, this should fix the problem of your iPhone overheating by using your CapCut. But if it's still not fixing your problem, then it might be the issue with your own software not being up to date. So make sure to go to the settings, and then from here scroll down and tap on general, and then from here scroll down and tap on general. After doing that, here tap on software update right here, and here you can see currently my iPhone do need some update requirement. Here you can see it is checking for updates, and this is the update requirement. So you can simply tap on update now or update tonight and simply update your software, and like that your iPhone overheating due to CapCut will be fixed. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.